that each and every one of you had given me the chance to love and care, to handle this opportunity for 12 years. I'm so proud to serve in even 12 years. I served 16 years straight in my life. I did not stop serving because when I was in the Philippines, I was also a community service. As a COMELEC in our country, I was one of those. That's why I know how to serve the community. During the election in our country, nasanay na po ako na pinipillbox ang kwarto ko. Kaya dito, nasanay na rin ako na pinipillbox ako. Na ako rin ay aking pinagdadaanan. Kaya ang lahat na ito ay pinagdaanan ko at ako'y naman ay naging masigla pa rin sa pag-sisilbi sa inyo. To the community, to the new CASA, I left them something. They should just implement all what I had left. Meron na po silang casino for 2027. Meron na rin silang bingo 2027. All of those are being settled already.
We love you, President.
Love you too. And I would like to acknowledge the presidents of the other seniors association. First, the Bingo Bar manager, Donna Miller. CCS staff, the banner of Charissa Celis. Najim Patrovi, Senior Connection Coordinator. Carla Ringrose, NXFP Coordinator. I would like to acknowledge the golden generation in the manner of Ben Isidro. Filipino Calgarian, Delia Cabalse. Thank you. New Sunrise in the banner of Edna Valdesa. New Tamara Seniors Association, Aurora Felipe. Diamond, Jeremy Papsaman. Young ones, Lydia Shapno. Up here. Legacy, Bong Pagpantal. Kapa Chompela Muluran. Okay, the husband. Okay. PCCF, not here, but headed by Ed Contreras. Friends on Filipino Rising, headed by Ed Chavez. If you want to go excursion, go to him. Apply with him. So you can go always in this excursion. And now, it's hard to say bye. I'm just saying, I'm just stepping down my presidency. But then, I'm not saying farewell, I'm not saying goodbye. But I still love you, I still care for you. Caring, loving. We seniors should have that dignity community of love? Because we have only one life to live. There are many things sometimes that we could not avoid. But please, take out those bitterness in our heart, but replace it with love. Replace it with care and loving with your friends. Sometimes we cannot avoid bitterness with others, but then at the end of the day, we should be a part of the community. Serving the community. Of course, there are lots of ups and downs in my life. Pero I was able, napaglabanan ko po lahat yun, continuously serving the community. Kahit na kuminsan ay binabatikos ka na. Pero sinabi ko sa aking sarili, ganyan lang ang buhay. Ganyan lang ang buhay na dapat tayo ay nagsaya. This is just an organization. Ang sabi nga ni Tix Tidalco, walang ano? Walang simamot. Walang lungkot. Yan ang nung ginawa niya ang asosasyon. Ang sabi ni Tix Tidalco, walang simangot, walang lungkot. Kaya tayo ay nasa organization lamang upang tayo ay magsaya at tayo ay maging masigla sa ating buhay. I love you all. I love each and every one of you. But I won't forget you because you're always in the bottom of my heart. Ito ang palagi kong inaano. Okay, sarap gulitain ang mga araw na nagdaan. Kailan lang umakyat sa puno ng manggahan. Bakit ngayon naririto? Nakaupo na lamang sa wheelchair na tinutulak, kagapay, tungkod na tanging yaman. Tayo po ay darating dyan at tayo lahat ay magiging ganoon. At tapos naman, pag nawawala naman ang ating mga loved ones, sinasabi natin sa Kanya, how do I love Thee? How do I love Thee? Let me count the ways. I love Thee to the depth and breadth and height. My soul can reach you the feeling of my sight. I love Thee every day. I love You with the love I can share with You. Thank you. Salamat po.
Thank you very much, Presi. That's a wonderful talk. Together with your last night here, I will also retire the song My Way. My Way is the favorite song of Presi. So that's it. We'll retire. So